Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel.
Hey guys, good morning.
Yes, so guys, we are back by Mr. Granville. Last time we came, we left with the hope of buying the cooking gas for him, but we had so many challenges by the time we got to Christiana and we were unable to get the gas. So that was about 2 days ago, so we have to come back in the area. So now we're trying to call someone who lives close by. They do business and they supply gas, so we're trying to see if we can get it purchased here. The gas pan is really the issue because he has it and we didn't take it the other day, so we're hoping that we can get through today. So stay with us. Please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Good morning.
So we have somebody assist you.
Yes, so ladies assisting us who are passing and we ask her where the gas sell and so on, so she calling the ladies so they can go and work out the dynamics. So let us see how it works out. And up there somewhere, oh yes, Mr. Granville house there. That one right there.
Maximum if dog dog, bad dog dog there, so you have to go make that air wipe there.
You have to go make the dog. Alright guys, so we're just waiting on her to see how best they can assist us. Where the cat there? Oh, at the best place to sleep. You sure is a cat? It look like a ball or something.
I move.
Oh, run a back there, so.
Which party that look?
Where the stone pan it. You see how that the cat looks so.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Yes, so guys, we are in Mallison. Mallison, right, Martha? Mm-hmm. Mallison in Manchester. This is where Mr. Granville lives. Right, so. Good morning.
I don't say gas, eh?
No, we are calling first thing I will send you.
Oh. Alright guys, so we just wait. We soon come back. But she says she not sell the blue one, only yellow one.
Mm-hmm.
He said the person never tell him to change on the blue one, Mr. Chicken.
Okay, so she wouldn't be able to sell us then? She wouldn't be able to sell us then?
No.
Okay.
Thanks, yeah?
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so another stumbling block. Not get no gas at all. Mr. Granville out of gas from last Sunday. So I guess the only thing that we can do now is,
You have to take it pan and go back.
oh boy, we're gonna take his gas pan. We'll be there in a moment. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
One of the many challenges. Had we known, we would have just taken it the other day, but we were hoping that we could go to the place in Christiana where he normally gets it, pay for it, have them deliver it and just pick up the gas pan, but they would not give it to us without having the pan.
But then
So,
I said they not do delivery.
and then they were saying they don't do delivery. But after that she was saying she did delivery after, but I'm not even
She
sure.
have to ask me what I want. She asked me when I tell her, I said she not do delivery.
Oh boy.
Alright.
We turn right here, so?
You can't turn there now.
Or out there?
No, we'll go on, so we'll go to a regular spot.
Okay. Okay guys, please excuse the seatbelt noise. Fixed. I hear us now, Marcel.
So I go drive one chain and put on seat belt, man. Here they. Here they.
Watch that car coming down there.
And I blow me in and insist you turn me, I turn in and I blow me.
Oh boy. Him come out?
One about in bussiness.
Alright. So we pass Mr. Granville and come turn. Heading back now. Oh boy. Alright guys, so we're head up to Mr. Granville's now. This was not a part of our plans this morning, so somehow our plans changed drastically today because we never anticipated this part of it. But that's how it go. Everything happened for a reason.
Alright, season, huh? Aya! Aya! What's sliding?
Yeah.
Oh, go on, Aya!
Good morning, Mr. Granville.
Lord.
I'm Jamaican.
Mr. Granville,
Greetings, sister.
This look like about 20 pounds, man.
how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sister.
Oh,
Huh? You know me, I'm good.
No?
I'm going to come here, you know.
how you say?
One wheel.
Oh,
Because, why? To hold no look at them, I think they call.
you have to make one wheel.
You have to make one week wheel.
But now, get nothing give me about that, do you know?
Lord have mercy.
You have to do it before you're gone.
No, man, it against the law.
Is that against the law?
You have to get me gone. But you look at me good, and after me gone, you say, yes, you have to me, no?
That we have one long wait.
Yes, man. You know, no, no, this thing.
No, we have a long wait, man. I not pass for nowhere now.
Because, you know, then you meet that life.
Yes. The thing is, I find there's that, but you know what's
But when they come and they gone, officer. Oh God, me say the man sing and me and dance here with him.
Who about that?
Go dance and laughing from there. The man a laugh and the music keep me say me not came out if I want to like him.
Now let me go and take it, John.
And he's a cute, you know that?
Yeah, man. Never apply for it, John. What we need to go do now?
All you have to do just call Everyting.
Yes.
That's it. On Coconut Grove Street and
Coconut Grove and materials. You know what I'm
Mr. Granville,
yes, you said it.
guess what happened now? 1 second. Mr. Granville, guess what happened now? We, the persons down there, they don't sell this type of gas.
Oh, you
It's the yellow pan.
down there.
Huh?
You live down there.
You gotta talk to somebody and really the person will sell the gas.
Yeah, but they call them.
Oh,
So we still don't get the gas, so we have to take the pan,
yes,
carry it to Christiana, and see if we can get it out there and then bring it back to you.
oh Lord. Jesus. Well, then they tell me I have to go make me a man.
No, just make a way. Don't make no way. Make a way.
So Marcy,
I wish I could have seen you forever. I will leave this earth.
We will always be here with you. Don't worry yourself.
I will leave the earth, you know, so we want to
Yeah, man.
When we leave the and go and do the other home,
yes.
we want people come see we and we will know each other better. Good time.
Yeah.
All right. So Marcel, we'll come back now.
So we are getting gas.
No, that's not it. I don't even know. We carry go to Christiana and see. That's a challenge you're having. So let's go back up at the place where say them not do delivery and see if we'll get it.
No, but no, we're not spending money with them. We are going somewhere else.
If you get man up a call with that after you gone, isn't it? He come down and he don't charge with delivery.
There's a gas man in Colleyville?
Yes, I don't charge me.
Where? Up by the hard drive.
Oh, yeah, yes, what a branch,
No,
so.
like, I can only see my son got there in Cadon Puan Pass and the road.
Alright, what we are doing, I bring your empty pan go out there.
Yes, sir.
And pay feet and make them bring it, come give you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I want to give them your number, so keep your phone, okay?
Well, what I'm going to do, yes, let's take the pan out of. Got your runs already?
Yes, return.
The host of them want to make you and the lady call them and then
Which part? Tell me where we go, they go make she call.
Is your next door neighbor right here?
but they have to sure tell them what pan and whatever. Me have to go pick it.
But if it's that place in Colleyville, we could have just leave the pan there.
But Mr. Granville, then we find you, you know?
Yeah, they will find you.
Yes, man, then we find you.
Yeah.
Yes, because
We-
For your house, I first one after you pass the forest.
yes, sir.
Yeah, last.
And then now you find the old building there, sir.
All church.
Yeah, we know, man.
Then if you put up one cross up, then they say, make them see it.
I want cross it outside, but we paint in a white, you know. But if you buy it be a road.
Oh,
Yeah, Church of Christ.
yeah, you landmark that.
It be a road. So, Sister Michelle.
Yes, sir.
God, thank you very much, Madam Paul.
Mr. Granville, thank God.
Huh?
Thank God.
No, but who is sent me to give?
Thank Jesus.
Me thank you first, sir. You thank him. After me thank him, me have to thank who he sent. Because remember him can't carry come himself, you know. So he have in disciples them when he sent. Yes.
Alright, so guess what? Now we have a donor, you see?
Yes,
She did she send money for buy grocery
Yes,
for you.
yes, right.
But the other day when we come,
Yes,
because when you call we about the grocery, we did have funds, so we just buy it from our pocket. We never remember say we did get money for buy your grocery.
yes, sir.
Seeing?
Yes, sir.
So what we are gonna do now, we are gonna use that grocery money for buy the gas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What
she
they doing
knows.
at it send.
Yeah, she already knows. We told her.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So we want to say thanks to the donor. God bless you richly, and your gesture is highly appreciated.
Yes.
Yes. And thank you very much, Donna, for all that you have done. I give you thanks. That brother Stafford giving you thanks.
Yes, Brother Stafford.
All right, Brother Stafford.
You know if you sing today.
Yeah, okay. So I think happened to me the other day. Me have one nurse. A nurse, and she give me money more time. I remember go to church. She give all the church member who live in Nigeria here to carry home give me. And to put me tell you say, me buy some food the other day. See young me buy, I have 2 brethren and some of them. You see 2 of my brethren them, they fix up it good for me.
Yes.
You know, they fix you up. When they come with me, say, I'm marking to now, say, me go man. Oh, this look them big and no pretty. And me say, Jesus God, me carry the lady. When we carry her, the man will take it from me at the porter, you know.
Yes.
Take it from the car when me I come out. And when I back, me say something faces the, a nurse. And and he put it under my seat in a church and me sit down. When he over now, 2 more other lady, one teacher, one and one other one, come and say, wait for them there. Them all keep meeting first. All the porter will go in and meet. And me sit down or the chair outside they know till the meeting over. Before the meeting over, one little church sister will come here more time with Likkle Everyting.
Yes.
No, Likkle Everyting.
Yeah, we are Likkle Everyting.
When touch of love. Touch of love. They grow on Christmas time. So they come here, the church people them. And when they come, They know me, and when me go to church, and see me sit down and I wait so long, everybody gone home, and go in a meeting. And when you look me sit down, me just say, look for Wady for me. And she look for in her phone, and she call Wady to come to me. By the time, me go, get up, we go to the car now, me I backside and here so. The teacher one, and one other one, come and the porter come out same time to our other guy with the but two of them they want to carry me home, but the two can carry me one time at one. And when he come out, and see back said to me, and the two lady good on the bag, you know, and God and the porter tell up about it, you know, and the reporter done already from the take me from the car therapy nurse, you know.
Yes.
And he tell up over there.
And then take out the whole I am.
He left the bag, and because the porter did it.
Yes.
And the other lady then me see to him going out to me say, alright, me go to the car. And when me go to the car, the girl walk.
Mr. Granville, my attack say you see somebody are going a bag, you know.
Then I walk with me to the car. I walk with me to the car. By the time I go in and shut the door, the taxi brother we came up and my go carry me back down. And he said, then way back where you carry. That he couldn't stay in the car or seat
yes.
at the veranda they say at church. And so me say, happy then I want to carry by, you know. Me couldn't tell the lady when me carry by no come. But if he make the people that tell him to take me to take up the back and carry back home. And me say, me go there. You see when me catch up people high bag over my shoulder, me with my Bible, and before me go in the room, me press the point I did set on her.
Yes.
And me press here when me look at she answer me. Me say, sister, me come to church and carry your bag and suppose me tell you say, he said she no feel well more time. She said, me never feel well by that stuff. But you should call me and tell me say you come at your church. Me say me have go to see you because you say what I need them. But you know he no feel well. And when me take a stop man. Me say I put a man with there and him take me from the car with the and person ask me to approve me to pay you. So if people take it, you know that they're gonna get there, is it?
Yeah.
And you know that until now she don't get it. She call him and ask him and talk to him. He say, when him turn up, he say two women are go down there back. He call one name, he call the teacher one name. But he no call the other one name. So me tell the nurse who the other one.
Yes.
And she know their name too. And she said, Jesus Christ. But you say, stop it. Me say, ma, you ever hear the Bible say, me say, you did not trust your one. Me say, remember the Bible say, man to man is one trust. You don't know who to trust.
Yes.
So it's the first time she laughs up. And she sat over him. She laughed and she said, better stop it. Me say, they be fulfilled plan.
But maybe they didn't need it.
Yes, I didn't need it, but they be fulfilled. But me never believe the church people don't do that.
Everybody have their fault. Yes. Then Rabbi blind.
Me said the nurse treat me good, you know that?
Yes.
And when me look like his skin, she not see. Me said she saw my young man. She them young, she got up like it. And they got it wrong and they said, dropping me a picture up net. And they probably, if they say me want something with somebody, they might look the very best for me. Because me want the world to know.
Yes.
And remember, you did tell me, you know, that you did tell me, say, when me tell you how they operate there, only when Christmas come, the little one, them come around with things in it.
Yes.
If me dead, they don't know if me dead or alive. But 1 year, if me no go to church for 8 months, they don't know, nobody no come check for me to find out what happened to me.
Yes.
And we said, Jesus Christ, Brother Barrel, as Sister Michelle, if you see all the things and pretty.
Yeah, man.
All the negayam, you know when negayam a jack bush. And how we can eat nice.
Yes.
When you go plant back. Oh God. Me say, but I can tell the nurse, if she said, me need the idea tomorrow.
Yeah.
And she said, me tell her, say, when they come, me I go call them up, both the porter and the other two women, and say, you are unfair. And she said, oh God, it go be a...
No, embarrass them.
It go be an embarrassed. So, but I know, but you know the problem? The nurse, I go feel embarrassed. People say, the other under one umbrella.
Yes.
And this happened. And she got feeling
Yeah, I forgot.
No much idea that one of them take it feeling embarrassing.
Yeah, if you go get one raincoat.
Yeah.
No go under the umbrella with the under.
No, because me no care the other tree embarrassed. I just nurse me no want to feel embarrassed. And when me talk like this now, I go up there man and me say me call up them. Me say we call them thing this year.
Yeah, keep a meeting.
And we call them outside. And we call next congregation too.
Yes.
And tell them and say before divine service. He said, excuse me please, I have something to say. Me say,
you can't talk that in a church, someone. You have to call them one side and talk to them.
well, I said to all the pastor lady around the church yesterday.
Say pastor know about it too?
The pastor lady were around the church.
Oh, no, pastor for your church that?
No, so one woman one this. I one them a man. And so me I tell the pastor and she tell me how me go about it when me go to church. Like me know, say not me, but like something I will come to me say it, me talk comes from 1, 2, 3.
How much you tell if you count to?
Like 100.
So, the time when you did a count to 100, the service not done?
Yes, I'm like that count to 100. Me remember those again.
Lord Jesus.
Me say, you back here there, one more detail you have to take back in the joint.
Yes.
You back here yet?
Yes, sir.
All right, better hit this now. We have to take, this is sad, you know. When this is sad, what it happen, God knows pony.
They affect you.
Yes, my body type of way. Pan the day me born in the first I ever have this feeling. Pan the day me born, they know they carry things to lady. And the person when know her and they work one place. She no get nothing. They share up it.
So it go.
I see that. I them send you out, man. I them send you out.
That?
I them send you out.
Mrs. Sister Michelle and Brother Balbel, me say, the best stop answer me now going on, even one lady from foreign, you see, here that the one get to come in. The one of them get picky. One lady from foreign now, they call her my wife. She used to work with the study core.
Okay.
They call her my wife.
So your wife?
Huh? Yeah, I just that but the uncle they ring me no put on.
Oh.
Uncle that no more me no put on.
They married and done now?
Huh?
Married and done now?
Gone overseas, her daughter over there, she had one daughter and she gone over there and the daughter young, so the daughter even finish school over there. And so she gone over. But so she sent a money for me and when she sent it, I did one we didn't call he said collect the money from her. Western Union or where they go Paris and give me it. But if me not go to church, she will give anyone at church member them when they're nearby me, they give me.
Yes.
So she get getting contact with the things them. Because me say alright, me I carry PCR too. But PR in a different bag and for the nurse in a different bag. You understand? The nurse in a different bag because the week before she get and the one I say my teacher and he say when me give the nurse one and the other one he said they was me there. Me say, but me never know say you come and church. And now she turn up over there and rob the king, him and the
Hey!
Mr. Granville, I said go. You will get back one nice piece we give the nurse next time.
Oh,
yes.
Don't worry about it, man.
You see,
alright.
The brother. The brother. Him no hand. Me think the man they are use.
You better only take it for yourself more than they take it.
Because he take it himself, me know say the nurse would I get some of that because me not think no devil for hell could have the convince him saying the nurse not. No matter how the devil say he's strong.
Yeah, can't convince him.
But him one take it, and he knows I nurse name they call. Me don't know how the devil that have power to make him 180. Excuse me, Nyami.
Excuse you, Nyami. Excuse you, Iti.
Mr. Granville, you still want to guess?
Huh?
You still want to guess?
Yes, sister.
Oh, we are going to deal with the gas business now.
Nobody guess you.
Sister Mitch.
Yes, sir.
Let's tell them that. This one is a long story.
Yes.
I know.
Save the rest for later.
And when I tell me say, me not go back to my, because me say when me catch there, you see? Because there's a word, it is the most, like calm, and Bob Marley would say control the temper, I must simmer down.
Yeah, simmer down.
But, I tell Bob Marley, the prophet, I tell me say simmer down.
You not hear that?
Sometimes you can't simmer down, man. Past my time, this is simply, you can't simmer down at all.
Alright, we are going to simmer it down now.
Yeah, man.
We are simmer it down.
Alright, now, I'll keep it simmer down again.
Yes, we are going to get the gas.
Yeah. Me not tell none like. This is the happiest time me ever had when Sister Michelle and Brother Badley.
Yeah.
Because you say I could not come out with that and the talk no. Alright, Sister Mich.
I didn't realize that you know what we left here now when you come here now.
No, but I know you're going to give me some words of encouragement, is it? But it's encouragement, sweet labor.
Yes.
So Sister Mich.
Yes.
And how me must go if me go tomorrow? If because night time one spirit might come to me and say, you know, say you know go. But I know some must meet her there, and you know say I'll give me something. But for my birthday, for me promise, but you they never get paid.
Yes.
So me I say.
You have to tell her how to go about it.
Like
how to approach it.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let me tell you.
Me hear one spirit I say, you see? No go.
No.
And when I say go, I no say nothing.
Yes.
Yes.
Follow that one day.
No one day.
And when I tell me say go, extend your vibes.
I devil that I talk to you so.
Yeah.
Go with the second one.
Go with the second one. Go and not say nothing.
Go and say nothing.
Yes.
Yes.
Make it stay.
I saw you tonight.
You say it already. You say it yes already, you have to say it again.
Okay, thanks.
Yes.
Thanks very much, Sister Michelle.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
God, me never know say that one congregation and the one umbrella with they say. But when
Me say you forget one raincoat and go back and the umbrella with the under.
when we are baptized, you know, and when we baptized, don't come out and put on the dry clothes now. I must go 40 of them walk against me and tell me say people are going to tell life on me. Which if they know say that I go happen before me did not water moon deep. But nobody say life on them.
No.
Yeah, and everybody come and whisper to me, mountain life on. Some say you have a hard time, rough time.
Oh, they know that.
Rough and before you baptized, you know.
Yeah. I test, I try all that, you know.
They know that. But if they just smile and just tell me, say, before, if the whole of them walk before me dig my water, I say, Macha, the hotel life, you.
The devil attack you. I devil that I devil attack. Yeah, I devil that I tell her.
Really tell a lie after me baptized?
Yeah, devil.
Go through some things.
Work of the devil.
When I say, Lord Jesus, the whole thing me baptized, I think I come down upon me.
Okay, devil, you see, let me tell you something. You see, when you live in a sin, the devil no business with you, you know, because he have you already.
Right.
You see, when he see you make a change and I try to serve God, that time he come with him ugly head.
Thank you.
Come and fight, you see me?
Yes, sir.
So you have to rebuke him.
Yes, sir.
And put him up in your two hands and slap in two ears.
Yes.
Together, slap them up.
Slap them up.
Yes. Yes, that's what you have to do him.
Yes, sir.
When the time he come round you, make him know say he did it.
But it looks like me have to go put on me a baggy and boot and crush him.
Yes, crush him. Step on him, trample him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Command him in the name of the Lord to take up his foot in his hand and flee.
Yes.
Yes.
Flee to the deepest part of hell.
Yeah, where he belong.
And never to return.
Never.
Never to return.
Yes, man.
And deepest part of this ocean.
Yeah.
And never to return.
Yes, man.
But one pastor, I say pastor, me say when me are sending back to the deepest part of the ocean. Yeah, the part that's about one thing we were talking about. Yeah, but that it was sending to the deepest part of the ocean, you know. Remember say him fish we eat him, you know. I remember say we have to go buy a fish and eat.
I remember submarine pass down there to you can jump on the submarine too.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright, Mr. Granville.
Okay.
Alright guys. So you just heard from Staffy, the general. Big up yourself, my boss.
Big up people from Jamaica to the world.
To the world.
And God bless each and every one that listening to this interview.
Yeah. Blessings guys, love you all, love you lots. I see Michelle there, she gonna say she love one or two, you know.
Alright guys, love you, much love and blessing. Until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Stay safe, bye bye.
Blessed love.